Mapping services in Laxmi Nagar provide a valuable solution for businesses and individuals looking to navigate the busy streets and neighborhoods of this bustling area. Laxmi Nagar, located in the heart of Delhi, is known for its diverse range of shops, restaurants, and businesses. With so much activity and constant growth, it can be challenging to find your way around. This is where mapping services come in handy. These services offer maps and navigation tools that help users easily locate their desired destinations within Laxmi Nagar. Mapping services in Laxmi Nagar utilize advanced technology to create accurate and detailed maps of the area. These maps are constantly updated to reflect any changes in the roads, buildings, or landmarks. This ensures that users have access to the most up-to-date information when navigating through Laxmi Nagar. Whether you are a local resident or a visitor to the area, these mapping services can help you find your way around with ease. One of the key features of mapping services in Laxmi Nagar is their ability to provide turn-by-turn directions. Users can input their starting point and destination, and the mapping service will generate a route with step-by-step instructions. This feature is particularly useful for individuals who are unfamiliar with the area or for those who want to avoid traffic congestion. By following the provided directions, users can reach their destination efficiently and without any hassle. In addition to providing directions, mapping services in Laxmi Nagar also offer information about nearby amenities and points of interest. Users can find out about nearby restaurants, hotels, shopping centers, and other places of interest within Laxmi Nagar. This feature allows users to plan their trips accordingly, ensuring that they make the most of their time in the area. SCON Design is one such mapping service provider in Laxmi Nagar that offers a comprehensive range of mapping solutions. Laxmi Nagar mapping services offer a useful option for companies and individuals that need to get through the congested streets and neighborhoods of this crowded location. Laxmi Nagar, a neighborhood in the center of Delhi, is renowned for the wide variety of stores, eateries, and companies there. It can be difficult to get around with all the bustle and ongoing growth. Services for mapping are helpful in this situation. These services provide users with maps and navigational aids that make it simple for them to find their intended destinations in Laxmi Nagar. Modern technology is used by mapping services in Laxmi Nagar to produce precise and thorough maps of the area. Every time there are modifications to the roads, structures, or landmarks, these maps are updated to reflect those changes. This guarantees that users can access. Mapping services in Laxmi Nagar offer a practical answer for companies and individuals that need to get through the congested streets and residential areas of this crowded location.